Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can clear website data to remove cookies, credentials, and other browsing data on your Apple Watch 7. First, let's go back to your watch face by pressing on the digital crown button. Then, on the watch face, press on the crown button. In the app screen, you want to swipe across and tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to go down and tap on General. Now we go down and tap on Website Data. Next, tap on Clear Website Data. And it said that clearing will remove website cookies, credentials, and other browsing data. If you are sure, tap on Clear Data. And that's it. We have now clear website data on the Apple Watch 7. You can now press on the crown button to go back to your app screen, or press on it again to go back to the clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.